we break, make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go. Well, we fell apart just in time. You say at least it was worth the try.
Hello my lovely people, welcome and welcome back to this YouTube channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back to my YouTube channel. So for our video today, we're going to cook omena for milk, omena ya maziwa. So let's get to the video. So we have omena, and then we have boiled our water. We're going to wash our omena. Let's get started. So we take our water, we pour it on our omena, and then we put our sufuria back to the gas, and then we wash the omena first. So tumeweka mafuta kwa pan or kwa sufuria, and then we're taking our onion, we put first. Ona hiyo. After tumeshaweka tunakoroga kidogo, tunangoja ichemke kidogo, senye tunaosha omena yetu ndio tuweke. Kitunguu inafaa kuanda ya kwanza. Ndio tunaosha omena. Tukishaosha tuamwaga hiyo maji, tunachunga because tutaki tubaki na zile particles. So tukishachunga hiyo particle yenye inakuanga chini itabaki tu hapo chini. Okay? Tunaweka omena yetu kwa sufuria. Sasa tuweka pinch of salt for taste, and then tunaweka omena. Tutaacha hivyo, tunazungusha, tunakoroga mpaka senye itakauka. A bit of salt, and then we continue stirring it. Tukoroge alafu tuiache for 5 minutes so that it can cook. So we will take our ladle and then we funika it, and we're going to check our omena. So our 5 minutes over, we are checking our omena if it's ready. No, the tomato is not ready yet, so we will wait for at least 3 minutes. try this. Hey, you'll just lift your hands. So we serve it with yellow ugali. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like, share, and hit that notification bell. Bye.